How to sell on Amazon from Alibaba with no money. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing how you could sell different types of products in Amazon using Alibaba as your source of product. Now if you don't know, Alibaba has a lot of items being sold with very cheap prices. So Alibaba can be a great partner for creating a dropshipping platform or a dropshipping business. And I'm going to talk about how you will be able to do it by using Amazon as your main platform to start selling the items, and of course using Alibaba as the source of your product. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is to look for the products that you want to sell. Now this process that we're going to talk about is a very manual process. There is no website or no other platform that we will be talking about on which you could utilize and use to help you with this process. So I suggest for what you're going to do is that you are going to use some sort of Google Sheet, where you could use Google Sheet over here to help you with this process. You could view your Google Sheet by clicking on the 9 dots on the top right after you open your account. Then you can simply check your Google Sheet over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a list of the product that you want to sell. As a beginner, if you don't have an account yet, I suggest that you stick with one category for now to help you with your organization. For example, you want to sell some shoes. You have this shoe over here, self-soled leather shoes, men casual shoes over here. So you want to sell this product in Amazon. So first things first, make your spreadsheet over here so that everything is arranged and everything can be easily monitored. So copy the title, go over here and insert it on the first part or like the first section over here. Let's fix our font over here so that everything can fit. There we go. And let's say this is our product one and this is like a shoe. So you're going then to also get the URL link just like that so that you can easily find it later on if you need to get some information. And you could have this as it is, but you could also add other information if you want to know, like the price and how many of this do you think you're willing to do dropshipping with. You can keep it all in the spreadsheet over here. Now I did mention that the process is a very manual process and it can be very difficult, and a lot of people may not be willing on how to do this, on doing this either way. So what you're going to do is, we got our item over here, our product. You're going to go to Amazon and you're going to set up your seller account. Of course, there's a lot of process with selling with Amazon, but make sure you finish creating your account. Make sure that you are able to start selling some different types of product. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to add the process or do the process of adding your product. Now, I can't show you guys that because I don't have an account that I could create a shop with, but for you guys, I assume you guys already have your shop, but you're going to add a product there. After or when you start the product of adding a product in Amazon, you're simply going to copy all the information you're seeing here in Alibaba. You're going to copy the title, you're going to download the image by clicking on Save As. There we go. Or you could utilize some plugins as well. So you could go here, Alibaba, download image extension. That, and you will be able to see some extensions for different browsers that would allow you to download the video or even the image of a specific product in Alibaba, which is the image and video that you will be utilizing in Amazon. So you got your title. You could change the title if you want. You could change or add other information because of course the title of Alibaba can be something cringy, or a lot of people may feel like it's not a legit item. You could specify it with the type of product that you're seeing, or like the brand that you're seeing on your image. You could specify that instead of something like this with this type of title. And you could use that. You will use the image you have downloaded using the extension over here. And with the pricing, of course, since from Alibaba, it's going to cost you like this pricing over here, 2.59. Of course, what the pricing that you're going to enter in Amazon should be a little higher because you want to get some earning or you want to receive some money back. And after that, you're going to also enter the description, all of this important information over here. Now, to make it legit or to avoid getting reported in Amazon or avoid getting some issues, you have to include in the description, even if it's the lowest part of the description, that the product will be coming from Alibaba. You have to specify that item will be shipped from Alibaba so that those who are actually reading the description will be able to know that the item that they will be buying is from Alibaba. And what they're going to do, let's say you added the product. Of course, you will have the issue or the dilemma wherein you don't have the product to send to them. And so what you will need to do is when someone orders the product from you, of course, let's say the product has been uploaded and set up on your store and someone orders that specific product. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your customer's information, because of course you will be able to receive that to be able to send it to them. You're going to take the address, the contact number, and you're going to go to Alibaba and you're going to order from here. So for example, in this item over here, this one is not something we could order with. So let's look for something one. And in here, maybe this band over here, this watch. Here we go. Let's open this one. And you're going to order on Alibaba, and then you're going to enter the information of the customer that you have here. So the process will now be handled by Alibaba, and they will be processing or like giving the order to the company that is selling it, and the shipping company, you know, the default process or the basic process of ordering something online. But this time, it will not be delivered to you as the buyer, which is us, of course, but delivered to the customer that bought it in Amazon. So we will be just like the middleman or the one ordering it once again. So people will order in Amazon, and then we will order at Alibaba. And that's basically the process. Now, this may be difficult or this might take a lot of time, especially if there's a lot of orders. But that is how you will be able to sell on Amazon using Alibaba, because there's no actual direct communication or direct connection between Amazon and Alibaba that we will be able to use to make this process way easier. But in the future, hopefully, there will be some softwares or extensions that would allow us to do just that and avoid us all of this hassle that we are trying to do. But that's what I suggest, and that's how you guys will be able to do it. Now, if you encounter any issues, people giving some complaints about how your product is from Alibaba and not from Amazon, you can just tell them that you have specified in the description that it is coming from Alibaba and it is their fault for not reading the description properly. And you can do this for any type of product, whether it's watch, shoes, clothing. It all depends on your preferences and of course on the item you want your store in Amazon to be about. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.